अगर आप कैंपस में आएंगे, जब कैंपस में घूमोगे तो आपको वॉक थ्रू करिए, आपको नज़र आ जाएगा वो जो हैप्पीनेस है बच्चों में, जो कॉम्पिटिटिव स्पिरिट है। आज क्रिकेट खेला गया, स्पोर्ट्स में आज क्रिकेट खेला गया, रेसिंग हुई है, अलग अलग टीम्स ने अपना जो भी जितना भी उनका स्टाइल ऑफ फंक्शनिंग हो या उनका जो जिस तरीके से उन्होंने उसको अपने आप को उस कंपटीशन में ढाल दिया था, उसका आपको इवेंट का भी एंड दिन खत्म होने वाला है। और ये आप देखकर आपको खुशी होगी कि जो अवार्ड विनिंग सेरेमनी है वो अभी होने वाली है थोड़ी देर।
आशीष सर, आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे? डू यू थिंक इट्स अ गुड स्टार्ट और इसकी बहुत ज़रूरत थी? जब हम इंडिया की बात करते हैं, द पीपल हु आर इन स्पेशली द स्टूडेंट्स हु आर इन गेमिंग, आप देखिए दुनिया भर के आपको मिल जाएंगे, और जब उनको पढ़ाई करनी होती थी तो फिर कहीं बाहर का सहारा लेना पड़ता था। डू यू थिंक इट्स अ गुड स्टार्ट?
I think IICT itself is a path-breaking institution set up by the industry and the government together. It's very important today that the esports is given its due. Very soon you are going to see the Inter-Nation Esports World Cup happening in Riyadh in November 2026. And esports is also recognized under the Olympics right now. So for India to prepare itself under the esports categories, we will have to build that foundation. Like every game has some foundation coming from all over. And we have seen in the digital content ecosystem and the digital content economy that has got established, esports is having a following all over the world. Of course, there are certain, certain hurdles that we have faced so far because people didn't have the right environment to play, people didn't have a right environment to follow, and people didn't have the right arenas that are required for esports. So esports is going to be one of the schools under the IAC, which is called the School of Video Games and Esports, and we are also going to have management programs in esports, because that's the next big wave that we are seeing. The youngsters will have their careers to make into, and also the management of esports as tournament. Like today you see a lot of people getting engaged with all the IPL teams and all. The similar kind of things is going to be repeated with the esports in time to come. So we want to ensure that the kids who want to make their careers into these arenas, whether they are athletes who are playing the game, or they are actually followers, or they are testing the game, or they are also into the management of the sport. All aspects of video gaming and esports will be under IICT, and that's why to create a tournament is a big advantage for us, because we are getting the students directly connected. And as you see that we also have a school of emerging intelligence. So what we talk about today is only artificial intelligence, but animation, storytelling and gaming is about emotional intelligence also, and we also are looking at the behavioral intelligence. So that's why we will actually be having an emerging intelligence school as well. So this is something which actually gives you a direct connect with the players and the fans of the esports.
सर, गेमिंग जोन के बारे में बात की जाए तो गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से क्या फंडिंग मिल रही है आपको? क्योंकि इस टाइम हमने देखा कि ऑरेंज वो करके आपको जो है ऑरेंज इकोनॉमी करके भी आप लोग को फंडिंग की जा रही है, तो कितनी ज़्यादा हेल्पफुल है वो सब फंडिंग आपके लिए?
सो देखिए, ऑरेंज इकोनॉमी के अंडर में हम लोग को जो फंडिंग हुई है वो प्रिडोमिनेंटली इसका जो इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर है, आपको मालूम होगा कि नेशनल एजुकेशन पॉलिसी में 6वीं कक्षा से अभी बच्चे लोग क्रिएटिव आर्ट्स, परफॉर्मिंग आर्ट, डिज़ाइन, स्पोर्ट्स ले सकते हैं। तो हमारे यहाँ पे पहले ऐसा था कि अगर हमको सिनेमेटोग्राफर बनना है या एनिमेटर बनना है तो हम 12वीं के बाद ही कहीं जाके कुछ कर पाते थे। और जैसा इंजीनियरिंग के लिए फिजिक्स, केमिस्ट्री, मैथमेटिक्स, और मेडिकल के लिए फिजिक्स, केमिस्ट्री, मैथ्स होता है, बाद में कॉमर्स के लिए पाथवे होता है, ऐसा हमारी इंडस्ट्री के लिए कोई पाथवे है नहीं। तो हम ये चाहते हैं कि ये पाथवेज हम पहले से क्रिएट करें, क्योंकि बच्चे जो करियर बनाना चाहते हैं वो 6वीं कक्षा से ही इसकी प्रिपरेशन में लग जाए, ताकि वो काफ़ी अच्छा अपना करियर बना पाएंगे और उनकी पाथवे भी क्लियर रहेगी। तो ये सबको ध्यान में रखते हुए जो हमारी फंडिंग अभी अनाउंस हुई है बजट के अंदर में, उसमें हम लोग 15,000 लैब्स पूरे स्कूल्स में बनाने वाले हैं, जिसमें बच्चों को लेटेस्ट इक्विपमेंट्स पे काम करने का मौका मिलेगा और वो अपना करिकुलम वहाँ फॉलो कर पाएंगे। और वैसे ही 500 यूनिवर्सिटीज उसके अंदर में भी उन लोग को राइट इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर के साथ में उन लोग अपना काम कर पाए। तो ये एक स्टेपिंग स्टोन है कि बच्चों ने अर्ली एज में अगर अपना करियर डिज़ाइन में, परफॉर्मिंग आर्ट्स में और क्रिएटिव आर्ट्स में बनाना चाहा तो वो वहाँ से ही अपने सब्जेक्ट सिलेक्ट कर सकते हैं।
Vishwa sir, why you have chosen, you started with Mumbai. Why you have chosen this particular city to start with?
Very good question. Where is the industry? The media and entertainment industry and the industry for filmmaking is in Mumbai. If it is in Mumbai, the maximum amount of expertise that is required will be in Mumbai. I don't mean to say that there are no big studios in down south. There are big studios in down south also. Hyderabad, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, to name some of them. But the major industry, Bollywood, also is in Mumbai. So this becomes a center of attraction for people who come from various countries to India, and Mumbai being the Maharashtra being important that we are able to attract that kind of clientele apart from just students around. We have to have developed projects from here. IPs have to come out. Those IPs we should be able to put it across to the right people at the right time, and that is why the National Center. This is a National Center, and we are very glad and happy that we are able to. We have already raised it, inaugurated it by the INP Minister himself has inaugurated it, Honorable Ashwini Vaishnaji, and the CM Maharashtra. So these are some steps which have been very concrete steps towards development of AVGC XR, and ICT is a fantastic way to go.
Is there a possibility there are numerous famous gamer from the YouTube world? They are famous across the globe and they are Indians. Not of that age. Are we planning to get those people on board to spread more word about IICT and this esports?
So one of the
initiative?
reasons you asked me why it is Mumbai, one of the key thing is that in our industry, you are a good cinematographer as well as you are doing this job. You learn from your masters, you learn from your guru. And that's how in our industry the knowledge is passed on and the skills are passed on. And where do you get the maximum number of people? And that's the reason from ideation to script to screen, and to create an experience you need various specializations. And they all been taught by people who are in practice. So idea is that people who are successfully building games or playing games or even making films or visual effects or comic books should come and work with the students and teach the students, because we are more about the practical work than just writing a 3 hours exam at the end of the semester. We are on the continuous assessment pattern, and that's the demand of the industry, that we need to really work from the masters, and that's why this is a unique opportunity that we bring all the masters to IICT to interact with students and work with students, so that we actually build a culture of more practicals and practical learning all the time.
Okay, the last one, what message do you want to give to the students, to the people who are part of this country? Why IICT and esports management is so important for the current generation? So it is very much...
I would say that even if you find anybody, whether your brother, sister, whether kids who have creative arts and performing arts bent of mind and a design bent of mind, you must encourage them to make careers into these areas, because right now people have been deprived of making, going for a race for making some other career and then coming into these areas. So right now it's a direct opportunity. My request to all the people is to find the right creative instinct in you and make sure whatever age you are, you should come to IICT, learn the skills and start telling your stories, because we are in the digital content ecosystem, as I told you, and today everybody wants to watch videos to learn things. Who is going to make these videos? So you need to make it the right way, and this is where these skills are very important for you. And don't be afraid of making a career into creative arts, performing arts and design. Please make please study with the right foundation and make sure that you tell your stories to the world.
Is that sir?
You know, we have a 5,000 years of history, and 5,000 years of history is story written, but there are the storytellers are not so many. It's important that we give this opportunity to our children, and that mindset of why are you playing games, why are you not studying, etc. has to change for the parents. It's very important right now to understand that you can see that movies are made, but there are advertisements also made. You see that there are various types of media and entertainment programs which are made, whether it is on YouTube or Netflix or wherever. All these programs have to be developed by somebody, but what Ashish ji has said is the right thing to do. Learn it the right way and make sure that you're stepping into a career with a strong background of IICT. We are sure you will be able to shine.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.